My dad just helped me with taking the thing out. Let's see. Alright. Oh, there's more tape on it. I didn't even realize. Yeah, my dad helped me take the box out, and then I forgot what else he did. But the video stopped recording. Whoa. Look at this! That's a lot of stuff. So much cardboard.
I think it's got a car elevator and some loops, and it's got a dragon you can fight. And it's got tracks going in and out. So we can hook that up with the other track system.
I believe it can like switch lanes. No, I'm wrong. Whoops.
Maybe. Maybe it's got just going in.
A dinosaur.
And there's the dragon. I guess you can defeat it because it's on the garage for some reason. There's a dragon on the garage.
With no arms.
Some assembly required.
Yeah, with no arms. Oh wait, there is arms. Just needs to be put on. Gotta take this off first. We got the stickers, the book, and the instructions in the story.
Instructions.
Whatever the heck this is.
Oh, that's part of the elevator.
Ah. This thing.
You store your cars in. It's gonna stand over 3 feet tall when it's done.
Jesus.
And that's all the pieces. And we're gonna stop it for now because we don't want the video to be too long.
Yeah. So I just got these two. I figured out where this goes. Yeah, that's the update so far. What the heck?
We got instructions too.
Oh, that's what it is. It's like a trap. You might need to actually use the instructions. So, this is the progress we gotten so far. We added this and this. So this is going to be the first layer. And these two can move. So I don't know if this moves or not. It's supposed to move.
All right.
I think it goes back here.
2.
So far now we got this third layer on, and I put the wings on the dragon, and I got this part started, the loop-de-loop, and then it's gonna go way, well, probably if I start it, but yeah. You can notice some updates here that over here there's like a spiral thingy, and this thing did the loop-de-loop. I don't know if I showed that in the last update, but yeah, that's really it.
Okay. We're gonna test the dragon. So how do you knock down the dragon? That's weird. And it's locked in place. Hit the red button and then try it again.
What red button?
Under the foot.
Where under the foot?
Move the dragon. There you go. Like right there where your hand is.
I don't see it.
It's right here. Right there. Hit the button.
Oh.
Oh! There's got to be a way it trigger traps. Maybe it's got to go in fast enough to like make it happen. Don't know. I guess we're gonna find out. I can't go back too far.
Alrighty. This is the last piece.
The stickers later, but
Yep. These are the stickers, by the way. Well, that's all of this places. Let's test it out.
this is the Ultimate Garage. Tired of those containers, that boring containers that don't do anything, that just hold your cars? Well, this holds over 50 cars and is over 3.5 foot high, or 3 foot high.
I want to do this.
Do 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 do. The dragon's locked. Do you want me to unlock it?
Nope.
Okay.
How do you do?
Push the button. There you go. Give that a try. He's going to try to defeat the dragon.
Uh-oh. Something didn't go right.
No, it's... Oh, you're trying to get all the way down? Ah! Sometimes they,
You know what? We already... Hold on.
You gonna bring it?
We already undid...
And it came with 2 unique cars. What did we get? Show them what we got. We got some electro future car, huge body, huge wheels, and some sort of translucent cyberpunk crazy car.
Let's test if these will work. First, let's go over to the first. That was cool.
It's got gas station features and cleaner on the first floor. On the second floor, it's got repairs.
Let's before I start going anyway.
I think we're going it backwards.
I don't believe it. Let's start this race. Let's start this race. Can't get it.
It's just like a parking area anyways. It looks like there's more areas where you can add more tracks to it. So they can go all kinds of crazy ways. Or play with your friends.
Uh-oh. It's doing that.
I'll tell you, it's supposed to slow down a little bit. You know what? Hold on. You gonna shoot for the dragon?
Yep.
He did it! Oh, the dragon's been defeated. The cars are safe.